Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to perform a simple MAC address check using your IMEI number and your MAC address on your REALME 14 Pro Plus. So all you need to do to get your IMEI number is just dial this phone number, this number in the blue bold text right here. Oh, sorry, I went out of the website. And just dial it and you'll get your IMEI number. Then enter the IMEI.info website and type in the IMEI number that you have just found. You'll get some basic info about your phone. And down here you'll see the MAC address check and the MAC address generator. These two do the same thing, so it doesn't matter. And here you just have to enter your MAC address. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.